Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, vlogging under my bed, cause well, I have a special kind. Today I set up a little slime making station. So if I ever do my slime videos, this is where I'm gonna do it. It's a little wobbly. Okay. Okay, today we are doing the same, making slime. We got all the other stuff done. Of course, we gotta pour in the big stuff. But today I think we're gonna keep it small. I'm not gonna do that much of it. I've used up more than half of all my glue today, and I just got it. So that's enough white glue for now. Let's pour in some of the big stuff because we barely have any glue at all. So, and I'm not going to be doing any balls in it or like foam or any of that excessive stuff. I'm kind of just going to be doing some normal slime. Because my mom yelled at me because I kept making a really big mess. So, yeah. Not gonna today. So, right now we just have this white substance. Switch it up. Yeah. Actually, no. There we go. And since I got white and clear, I'm kind of just mixing those two together. I do have just like a plain little spoon. Once you do that, I'm gonna add more white. Because I think it needs more white. Okay. So now that we've done that, I'm just gonna keep mixing the white. And I am my Mimi, she just bought me a brand new vlogging kit, and well, this is it. But shout out to Summer Smith. If you are watching this, shout out to Mimi/Summer and Brian for getting me this. And before I forget, make sure to click the subscribe button and give us subscribe, click that notification bell to see more of my videos, and give us a big thumbs up. I really can't focus today because I've been inside all day and it's Christmas. Oh yeah, I got one of the things I really, really wanted. Now I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more because I got my brand new roller skates, I mean. I got roller skates for Christmas. My mom, I also got $70, which is a lot for a kid. So now, just pouring in some activator while we speak. Then, a little bit of baking powder. Yeah, baking soda. Okay. I'm gonna leave that out because I know that we're gonna need more of that, and just gonna start mixing. Now it's getting a little harder to stir. I'm probably gonna decapitate my arm like I did the other times. If you ever see me shaking my arm, that means it's decapitated. Because whenever I make slime, I have to stir for a really long time and it just starts to hurt. But what I do is I go in downward, then I'll pick up some with me, then I'll pick some up in my spoon, and then I just knock it across the top, and it'll end up in my bowl. Then, because that's how you get it like shaking, and then keep on stirring. Oh yeah, I know I've made 4 videos today, but like I have nothing to do. Nothing at all. What sort? My mom just walked in because after this I'm probably gonna go to the mall because I got $70 to spend and I want to spend it. My parents probably won't let me though. So now we just have this gloop. Wow. More activator! This time I'm just adding actual activator. I forgot that you had to add baking soda to this. I thought it would just slime plus glue plus glue plus contact solution. But no, it's glue plus contact solution plus cornstarch. Baking soda, I mean. Baking soda. Ew. One side's sticky and one side's like actual slime. Ew. Ew. Okay. And sometimes I'll so once I get this far to where like it's kind of gloopy, but not really, like that, I'll leave it alone for like 5 minutes and come back to it. And then it'll most likely be somewhat ready. But I don't want to do that today. Because then my parents will think I'm done. They'll make me go to the mall. And then I won't even be done with my video. And then I know for a fact my parents won't let me finish in the car. Even if I'm the most convincing person in the world, my parents will not let me do slime in the car. I've been able to play with slime in the car, but never make it. So, kind of just stirring. Then it gets to this. Wait. Okay. That gloop, but almost no gloop. Then sometimes I will actually go full and spoon with this stuff. More cornstarch, baking soda. I get the two mixed up because they look exactly the same and they have almost the exact same purpose. You both use them for slime. You both use them cook. You both use them to have a white face. Then now, it's gloopy like that. And then now it's really hard to mix. That's how you know it's almost ready. But still sticky. Sometimes if you need to get some of it off your spoon like I do, you just go into your bag of cornstarch, put on your fingers that you're going to use to get it off, and just rub it around a little bit and get it off. It helps a lot more than you think it does. Because cornstarch, it simulates how sticky it gets. That's why baking soda is so important in this, because unless you want to have the world's stickiest slime, I suggest using this, or with some other ones you can use laundry detergent, I think. But how should I know? I'm just a kid. You remember this? You might not think so, but I'm 111 years old. I am the Avatar. I was watching the Avatar earlier. Yo, it's almost ready. Yo. Think it's time to go in with the hands. So we'll set it down. Get a little that and so now I'm going in with the hands and just needling it. Then now's your time to add fluff or accessories to it, like foam balls and that stuff. But in this time, I'm not. I'm just probably most likely going to make it fluffy to play with. And then I have these little containers that I can use to store my slime in. Yeah. I say this slime is never going to be a fail. I am definitely satisfied with I hear. I'm satisfied. Now, this might be the reason why it keeps getting ruined, but, like, let's see. So, you add some shaving cream, and that shaving cream pocket should just automatically break. So, now I'm kind of just rubbing that in. Should make it 1, moist, 2, fluffy, 3, smell good. Haha. Oh yeah, and 4, flexible. My mom's knocking on the door. 1 sec.
Fail and success. It's not nearly as stretchy as your first slime.
But I can still keep working on it.
Yeah, I think you should stop adding so much baking soda. Only,
yeah, I know that.
like, remember how I was just doing teensy bit at a time and you were mixing it in and checking? And then teensy bit more, mixing it in and checking. That's a great way to keep track of
Then now.
the consistency. Yes. And now it's a little bit bouncy like a rubber ball.
Now it's bouncy.
Have you tried to mix in any of the colored shreds yet?
No.
Would you like to?
Do we have dye first?
Well, no, I got those. We do have some dye. No, because we're going to leave soon.
Okay, well,
You need to get ready.
this is part 1. I'll see you guys in part 2 later. Let me box up my slime. Make sure to like and subscribe and click that notification bell to see more of my videos. And give us a big thumbs up. Bye!